Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Suzuki Boulevard M109R. This is the blacked out Super Sport model, 1800 cc's of fuel injected V-twin big bore power. Shaft drive. This bike is really cool. It's got that massive 300 back tire. Come on by, make your big bore sport cruiser dreams come true for just $11,999. Only 9,000 miles on this gorgeous M109. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Contra Costa Powersports.